weet beide daai kamer bo oupa terug. Ek pak vandag hy kamer uit.
My ma het uitdruklik versoek dat sy nooit wil praat oor wat daar geskryf staan nie. Daar's 'n kans dat hy of sy moontlik nog die sleuteltjie het.
Parys. Al wat jy het is jou ma se kriptiese dagboek en 'n hangertjie.
Parys is lieflik, pa.
Wait, lady! Oh, wait. You dropped this.
My name is Jean-Pierre Baptiste. I am a chef.
A contract. Ek het iemand gevind wat my help soek.
You still don't trust me?
I don't trust me.
Sometimes ones have to break the rules to live a little.
You're not being fair.
What is not fair? A woman so angry about other people's lives that she cannot hear her own. You will never come to look for me.
Jean-Pierre.
Oui, il est là.
Non mais attends, mais c'est toi la fille du merlan frit.
He was in and out like a thunderstorm yesterday. Wouldn't talk to any of us.